Hi everyone, there's a snowstorm. I actually thought there would be more snow in my car, there isn't. But I'm gonna have to leave it. Oh my goodness. Do you see? It's not that bad outside. Not yet anyways. Oh, and there's no snow on my car. Hi everyone, so it took me about 15 minutes. That's hardcore exercising, man. It took me about 15 minutes and I cleared a bit of my brother's car, I cleared my parents' car, I cleared the pathway in front of the house. I figured I might as well get some exercise. I'm still leaving an hour earlier than I usually do, so let's see how I fare on time. Apparently there's been a couple of accidents on the road. Hopefully it won't be that bad. Welcome to a Montreal snowstorm. Driving behind two snowplows. The road's getting cleared in front of me. Well, this is as clear as it's going to get. Until there's more cars to drive on this road and clear actual paths, all they could do is just clear as much snow away as possible. And slow me down in the process.
To the south, the white ducky.
This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see all white. This is a snowstorm in Montreal. And pretty much what they're getting in the American Midwest and the northern part of the US, like Boston and Washington and New York. This is what a storm looks like. And by the way, it's Groundhog Day, and the groundhog did not see his shadow, which means spring is gonna come early. Woohoo! Doesn't look like spring is gonna come early right now, does it? I love this song. I am so good on time. I'm actually about 40 minutes early and it took me an hour and 20 minutes to get in. Very exciting! May actually get a head start on everything I need to do today. Here's what it's looking like out there. It's starting to come down really, really hard. I don't know if you can see at all. It's snowing. I don't know if you can see how bad it is. It's crazy. There's fires on the streets of Cairo still. Here's some night drive. I can't even talk. Night driving. I'm on my way home. Oh, am I blocking the screen? Yeah. It's still snowing. And I'm rolling very, very slowly. But listening to awesome music! Look. 60. So that's about 40 miles an hour. Very slow. And it's -10. Not very slow. But there's awesome music! My wipers suck in general.
Do what? Oh, you don't have to.
No, I don't. Because somebody forgot to replace them. I'm taping you, so watch your language. So you guys don't ever get to see me here. I am, it's 9:40 on a school night. We call weeknight school nights. No, I probably look ridiculous from this angle. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so we are on our way. I'm grabbing my brother and making him come with me to one of my colleagues. We're just gonna grab drinks. It's his birthday today. And I don't even know this guy really well. He's a guy from work who I get along with super well. But under any other condition, I would not be leaving the house. considering the road conditions.
Why are we going?
I said, why are we going?
I thought you knew this guy.
I do know him. What I just said didn't make sense under any other condition. No. I just think it's nice when somebody invites you and you say yes, and I think that I have a habit of saying no and turning down events like this too often, so I said yes. But look at this. There's barely any... we're gonna slide through the intersection right now, see? That's sliding through the intersection. Is the guy behind you high beaming? Oh no, that was the red light. Oh my god, I thought that was a cop. Okay, I'm gonna stop taping. I'll tape when I get there though.
Throwing up in the bathroom for 3 hours in front of all our friends.
And so the night ends. Can't see the snow falling, but it's lightly snowing. How far did we park? Oh no, it's right there. Zoe's trying to get some sleep. It's pretty late. It's almost 1 a.m. and I am finishing up booking my room for the hotel that I'm staying at while going to LA. For part of it I'm staying on my own, and the rest of it is being covered by the company, so I just had to take care of some details. And I also got some work done. So that's it. Now I'm going to write my gratitude journal and get to bed. It was a long day.